Namaste everyone. So today we'll do gentle hatha yoga. You can practice this gentle hatha yoga every morning. So if you feel you want to repeat more than 1 or 2 times, you can pause the video. You can repeat more than 5 or 10 times and try to hold the posture 5 to 10 breaths according to capacity. Don't be push yourself. Go more gentle and more easy. So see you on mat. So let's start the class. Sit straight with the closed eyes. Your spine should be straight. Take a long and deep breath. Now we open the class with one Om. Slowly join both your palm in front of your chest. Take a long and deep breath. Breathe in. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste. Now we start the class with a gentle warm-up. Place both your palms over the knees. Next inhalation, lift the chest up, look up to the ceiling, slightly arch your spine here. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Inhale, lift your chest up, arch your spine, look up. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Inhale, lift your chest up, arch your spine. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Last two. Inhale, lift your chest up, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Last one. Inhale, lift your chest up, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Next inhalation, back to the center. Now extending both your arms up over your head, so lengthen your spine here and keep pulling your arms towards the ceiling. So we go like a side bending here. As you exhale, drop your right palm to the right side and extending your left arm over the ear. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, drop your left palm down and raise your right arm up over the ear. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Last with the both side. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Next inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side and just stay here. With each exhalation, open your chest and stay here. Now keep maintaining your spine straight here and keep pulling your left arm over the ear and breathe. Take a long and deep breath. 1. Keep pulling your left arm, stretch your arm towards the ceiling. 2. At the same time, keep pushing your left thigh towards the ground. 3. 2 more breath. 4 and 5. Next inhale, back to the center, extending your arms over your head. Exhale, drop your left palm down and now extending your right arm over the ear. Now the same thing here, keep pushing your right thigh towards the ground and keep extending your right arm over the ear. Breathe. 5. With each inhalation, extending your arms over the ear. As you exhale, open your chest. 3. Breathe. 2 and one. Next inhale, come back to the center, keep extending your arms over your head. Now from here we go for the twisting. As you exhale, drop your left palm down over the right knee, take your right hand behind of your back, lift the chest up and slowly twist your spine and look over the right shoulder. Get a gentle twist here. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, switch your sides like a morning time, so give a gentle twist. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, change your side. Last two, inhale, back to the center and exhale, switch your side. Breathe in, back to the center and breathe out, change your side. One last time with the both side. Breathe in, back to the center and breathe out, twist to the right side and stay here. So breathe in, lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, twist your spine. 3, breathe, 2, and when next inhale, back to the center, extending arms over your head. Exhale, change your side and stay here. Again, keep lengthening your spine. As you exhale, twist your spine. 3, breathe here. 2, and when next inhalation, come back to the center and exhale, release your hand. You can shake your arm and shake your shoulders. Now slowly we come to the tabletop position. So we have to lean forward, come on top of the mat. Now move your legs back side and bring your arms forward in front of your mat. Now we have to check the alignment here. We need shoulder, elbow, wrist in our line, pelvis over the knee, wrist, knee and your ankle in one line. Now we go for the cat and cow from the here. With the inhale, drop your belly down, lift the chest up, look up to the ceiling. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Inhale, drop your belly down, arch your spine, look up. With exhale, round your spine, suck your belly in and look towards your navel. Inhale, drop your belly down, lift your chest up. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Last two. Inhale, drop your belly down, lift your chest up. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Last two. Inhale, lift your chest up, arch your spine. As you exhale, round your spine and look towards your navel. Last one. Inhale, lift your chest up and stay here. So keep arching your spine, look up. 3, breathe here. 2, and when exhale, round your spine, try to look towards your navel and stay here. So remove the scapula away from each other and suck your belly in. 3, breathe here. 2, and when slowly come back to the center, neutral one. Now one by one, we move your legs back side to Santulanasana plank position. Now push your pelvis back and up to come to the mountain pose. So this is your first mountain pose. So we have to stretch your hamstring here, just maintaining your straight spine. Only have to move legs up and down. So one leg straight, one leg bent here. So move legs up and down. 1, so shake your leg here. Give a stretch to the hamstring. 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from the here, we are going for the little bit strengthening part. Now next inhalation, we lean forward, come to the Santulanasana. We drop your knees down and then we come to the half chaturanga. Lean forward, bring your shoulders the side of the elbow. So your shoulders, elbow in a one line. Next inhale, lift the chest up, untuck your toes and look up to the ceiling. Exhale, tuck your toes in, push your pelvis back and up for the mountain pose. We go the same position 2 more times. Inhale, lean forward, drop your knee down and come to the half chaturanga. The next inhalation, lift the chest up. Exhale, tuck your toes, go back to the mountain pose. Last 2. Inhale, lean forward, drop your knee down, come to the half chaturanga, pop your chest and close the ground. Next inhale, lift the chest up, Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Exhale, take your toes in, go back to the mountain pose. Now we walk forward towards your palm, take a small step. When you reach in top of the mat, then slowly hit round your spine, slowly and gently come all the way up to the Samasthiti. Now from here, we are going for the 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar Asana. So before to go, take a 1 feet gap from the top of the mat here, feet together. If it is uncomfortable, you can open your feet slightly wider, where you feel more easy to stand tall. Now with exhalation, join your both your palm the hearts in the prayer pose. Next inhale, raise your arms up over your head first beside of the ear, then give a gentle arch from the thoracic. Exhale, fold forward from the hip joint, go all the way down. If you feel more comfortable, you can place your palm beside of the foot, bring the head to the knee. Otherwise, you will feel free, use the block here, place your palm over the block and lengthen your spine. Never round your spine in the forward fold. If you are rounding your spine, you can micro bend your leg here to focus on your spine more. Otherwise, you can just keep place your palm beside of the foot and bring your head to the knee. Next inhale, move your right leg back, drop your right knee down and lift the chest up, roll your shoulder back and down, bring your fingertips beside of the thighs. Just make sure your front knee and the ankle make a one straight line. More focus on your hip joint to keep pushing your pelvis towards the ground. Exhale, fix your palm beside of the foot, step back to the mountain pose, the Parvatasana, feet together here. Inhale, drop your knee down. Exhale, chest and chin down over the ground. Next inhale, untuck your toe and lift your chest up for the Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Exhale, first tuck your toes in, go back to the mountain pose Parvatasana. Next inhale, bring your left leg front, drop your right knee down, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down, reach your fingertips over the mat. Exhale, drop your palms down, step forward to Padhastasana, bring your head to the knee. Inhale, come all the way up, gentle arch your spine. Exhale, Pranamasana. Now complete the set here. Inhale, again raise your arms up over your head, arch your spine from the thoracic. Exhale, again fold forward. If you need, you can use the block. Otherwise, place your palm beside of the foot, bring your head to the knee. Next inhale, move your left leg back, drop the back knee down, lift the chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step back to the mountain pose, feet together here. Inhale, drop your knee down, exhale, chest and chin. Next inhale, slightly lift your chest to Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes in, go back to the mountain pose. Next inhale, move your right leg forward, drop the back knee down, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step forward to Padhastasana, bring your head to the knee. Inhale, come all the way up, gentle arch your spine. Exhale, Pranamasana. Quiz, last one for today. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head, arch your spine. Exhale, fold forward, bring your head to the knee. Next inhale, move your right leg back, drop the back knee down, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step back to the mountain pose Parvatasana, feet together. Inhale, drop your knee down, exhale, chest and chin. Next inhale, slightly lift your chest to the Bhujangasana Cobra pose. Exhale, tuck your toes in, go back to the mountain pose. Next inhale, move your left leg front, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step forward to Padhastasana, bring your head to the knee. Inhale, come all the way up, gentle arch your spine. Exhale, Pranamasana. Complete the set. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head, arch your spine. Exhale, fold forward, bring your head to the knee. Next inhale, move your left leg back, drop the back knee down, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step back to the mountain pose Parvatasana, feet together. Inhale, drop your knee down, exhale, chest and chin. Next inhale, slightly lift your chest to the Cobra pose Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes in, go back to the mountain pose. Next inhale, bring your right leg front, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back and down. Exhale, drop your palms down, step forward to Padhastasana, bring your head to the knee. Inhale, come all the way up, gentle arch your spine. Exhale, Pranamasana. Now slowly release your hand, come to standing Savasana. Close your eyes and just stay here a few breaths. Just relax your breath and relax your mind. Now slowly bring this back to the body, feet together here. Now we are going for the basic postures like a Tadasana, Tirak Tadasana and your Vrikshasana tree pose. So we start from your Tadasana, Feet together here, same. If you feel not comfortable, you can open feet wider according to shoulder width apart. So we'll go for the feet together. You can go with the open feet wider if you like. Now lock your finger, turn your palm towards the ground. Next, inhale, raise both the arms up over the head. In the same time, you can lift your heels up. If it's uncomfortable for the balance, you can drop your heels down, only raise your arms up. As you exhale, drop your heels down and bring your arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head, stretch your arms up. Same time, lift your heels up. Exhale, slowly come all the way down. We go 2 times more. Inhale, arms up over your head. And exhale all the way down. One last time. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head and we stay here. 3. Stretch your arms over your head, so that means towards the ceiling. 2. And 1. Slowly and gently come all the way down. Now release your hand, shake your arm and shake your legs. Now slightly open your feet wider for the next posture for Tadasana. Now open your feet wider according to shoulder distance and raise your arms up over the head. So lengthen your spine here. As you exhale, drop your left palm down to the left side and gentle bend to the left side here. So stretch your right arm up over the right ear. Inhale, come back to the center, extending arms over your head and exhale, tilt to the right side. Inhale, back to the center, raise your arms up and exhale, bend to the left side. Inhale, back to the center, extending arms up and exhale, tilt to the right side. One last time. Inhale, back to the center and exhale, tilt to the left side and stay here. Breathe. Try to keep opening your chest and keep pulling your right arm up over the ear. 2. Never give the body weight on your left hand more relaxed here. 3, 4 and 5. Back to the center, raise your arms up. Now go to the right side, stay here. So place your right palm to the right side and keep extending your left arm up over the ear. 5. Breathe here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next inhale, back to the center and exhale, release your hand. Now shake your arm, shake your thighs, shake your legs here. Now we are going for the Vrikshasana tree pose. Now again, feet together here to the Samasthiti. So I have 3 variations. If you feel more comfortable, you can choose any variation according to you. The first variation, you can place your right foot close to the left ankle. Second variation, you can place your right foot on your left shin bone. The final variation, first lift your right leg up, move your right knee slightly outside, hold your right foot with the right hand and place your right foot to the left inner thigh. Now squeeze the both together. That means press your right foot against the left thigh and press your left thigh against the right foot. Now you can join your palm to the heart center. If you have good balance, you can raise both your arms up over your head and stay here, extending your arms up, or you can join your palms and stay there. Breathe. Just lift your chin up, look front to the eye level and stay there. 3, 4, find a balance. And 5. Exhale. First release your hand, then slowly release your leg. Now other side, one last time. You can choose any variation. You can place your foot on your right ankle, on your right shin, or you can go the final one, place the left foot to the right inner thigh. Again, you can join your palm to the heart center, or you can raise your arms up over your head. Otherwise, you can join your palms together. Just lift your chin up, look front and stay and breathe here. 5. Breathe. 4, 3, find your balance. Great. 2, perfect. Just stay in balance. And 1. Exhale. First release your hand, then release your leg. Now slowly you have to come on the top of the mat. Now fold forward from the hip joint, drop your palms down, take a small step to the mountain pose first here, then drop your knees down and slowly come to the child pose and take a rest here. Namaste. So you can practice this all asanas every morning and feel more healthy and energized all day. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy. Namaste.